Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on your ACER Chromebook 315 laptop. Let's enter some sample text in here. Now to copy the text or part of the text, you have to select the part of the text that you want to copy, then right-click it and either select copy to copy this text, cut to cut it out of this place, and if you want to paste it, right-click and select paste. Now you can also use shortcuts. If you want to copy text, you have to press Ctrl and C buttons simultaneously, and then if you want to paste it, you have to press Ctrl and V simultaneously. If you want to cut it out, you have to use Ctrl+X buttons, and then you can paste it into some other spots pressing Ctrl+V. You can also use Clipboard, where you'll find your recent clips, so the recent texts and other elements, other files and images that you copied, files and media and everything else that you just copied by pressing Search and V button simultaneously. And if you want to use Clipboard, just click this, click one of the elements you have in there to paste it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.